Hello, today we will discuss a new chapter, 8th class maths, surface areas and volume, cube and cuboid, exercise 14.1, part 1. So, we know that a cuboid is a three-dimensional figure with the three dimensions length, breadth and height, and cube is also a 3D figure. So, the first question, there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the given figure. Which box requires less amount of material to make? That is the question. In figure A, the three dimensions length, breadth and height are given as 60, 40 and 50. In figure B, all the three dimensions are 50. Okay, 50, 50 and 50. So, what is the formula for total surface area of a cuboid? TSA of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So, here for figure A, let us calculate the TSA. L equal to 60 centimeters, B equal to 40 centimeters, H equal to 50 centimeters. So, what is the TSA of figure A? It is 2 into 60 plus 40 into 50 plus 50 into 60. That is equal to 2 into 2400 plus 2000 plus 3000, which is equal to 2 into 7400, which is equal to 14,800 centimeter square. This is the TSA of figure A, total surface area. So, for figure B, L equal to 50, B equal to 50, H equal to 50. Let us say centimeters. So, the total surface area of figure B is equal to 2 into 50 into 50 plus 50 into 50 plus 50 into 50, which is equal to 15,000 cm square. This is for figure B. So, which is less? TSA of figure A is less than TSA of figure B. That means the amount of material to make depends on the total surface area, because we need to cover the total surface area with the given material. So, because figure A has less TSA than figure B, box A requires less amount of material to make. That is the answer. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. Because length, breadth and height of a cube are same. So the formula for TSA of a cube, total surface area of a cube, is 6A square, where A is the side of the cube. So what is total surface area given in the question? 600 centimeter square. Therefore 6A square equal to 600. Let us equate these two. So A square equal to 600 by 6, A square equal to 100, A equal to square root of 100. Therefore A equal to 10. Therefore side of the cube is 10 centimeters. Like, share and subscribe for more videos on surface areas and volumes.